everybody, it's Gloria from PALS. So very happy to be here today. I'm pleased to give a shout out to all of our viewers, all of our parents, all of our care providers, and most importantly to all of you, our program participants. I just want to say on behalf of all of the PALS family that we miss you and that we're waiting for you guys to return soon. And I also want to take an opportunity to remind everybody to continue to stay safe, to continue to follow all of the COVID-19 health safety rules. Remember to keep the distance, which is 6 feet. Remember to wash your hands continuously or use hand sanitizer. And remember to always wear your mask. As you can see today, I'm wearing my mask. And so you gotta make sure that we preserve our safety as well as the safety of others. So with that reminder, especially it comes to mind that soon we're going to be celebrating many special occasions. The holidays for 2020 are here. So the next holiday is Thanksgiving. So we definitely have a lot of things to look forward to, but we also do have to have this special day to recognize the good things that happened in 2020. So with that being said, we're going to be around hopefully our family, our friends, and more so closer during the holiday season. So we want to make sure that PALS reminds everybody to stay safe. Remember to stay tuned with our PALS YouTube channel. Remember to get your link from our office here. You can reach us here at the office Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. Someone should be here to answer any of your questions. Or feel free to also continue to utilize the comment box on our YouTube channel for PALS, where you could let us know if the videos that we're putting up are working for you, are appropriate, you're gaining something from them. Or if you like them, thumbs up, thumbs down, where we are able to handle the constructive criticism. We definitely want your input on that. So remember to view it, to like it, and to keep us in the loop of information as to your likings for our agenda on the YouTube channel. Okay, so don't forget about us. You gotta log on, or you gotta ask and get that information directly from your staff or our office here. Okay, so welcome. Have a great Thanksgiving if we don't speak before then, and remember to stay in contact with us here at PALS and enjoy these videos.
Hi, I'm Jocelyn, and today I'm going to be showing you some workout stretches. We are going to start off with reaching sky. You are going to reach as high as possible, touch your hips, touch your toes. Repeat 5 times. Just remember to go in your own pace, guys. Slow and steady. Right arm over your left. Hold it for 30 seconds. Begin. Switch. Left arm over right. Hold it for 30 seconds. Begin. Flamingo stand. Right leg up. If you need help with balance, make sure you grab a chair. If you feel more advanced, do it without a chair. Next, you would have to sit down on the floor. Make sure you use a mat. You're going to touch your toes. You will feel the burn on your hamstrings. Cross thigh hug. Pull the right leg over your left, hug it for 30 seconds. Switch. Put your left over your right and hug it for 30 seconds. Extend your arms and rotate forward in a circular motion. Switch. Now they're going backwards. Lastly, neck rolls. You will be looking down. Rotate your neck in a clockwise motion. Remember to go in your own pace, nice and slow. We don't want you to get any injuries. And backwards.
Wow, that was a great workout, huh? Up next, we have Allie with ASL.
Hello, hello, and hello. How are you? So today we're going to go over some signs for feelings. This will help you express yourself using sign language instead of using your voice. So here we go. All right, so our first sign is going to be angry. What you're gonna wanna do is you're going to fold your fingers, kind of bend them and curve them, put them towards your chest and go in and out. Bend your fingers, put them towards your chest, a little bit towards your stomach, in and out. One more time, remember, curve your hands, place them to the middle of your chest or upper stomach, go in and out. And this is angry. Our next one is fine. What you're going to do is you're going to have an open palm, place the thumb edge to the middle of your chest and gently tap it. Again, open hand, take your thumb finger, put it to the middle of your chest, and tap it. One more time. Open hand, take your thumb, point it to the middle of your chest. Fine. Happy. You're going to have a flat hand and you're going to go in a circular motion and pat your chest. Happy. Closed hand, put it to your chest. Happy. One more time. Closed hand, put it to your chest. Happy. All right, our next sign is like. So what you're going to do is you're going to your pointer and your thumb, you're going to put them together at your chest. Like. Like. Remember, pointer, thumb, together, bring them together and down. Like. One more time. Like. All right, our next one is going to be sad. So you're going to want to take the palms of your hand, face them to your face, and run them down your cheeks like tears. Open your hands, put them towards your face, run them down your cheeks like tears. One more time, open your hands, point them to your face, run them down your cheeks like tears. And that's sad. Next one is embarrassed. You're going to open your hands just a little bit, point your palms to your face, and go up and down, embarrassed. Remember, kind of open your fingers a little bit, not too much, just a little bit. You're gonna point them to your face and go up and down. One more time, open your fingers, not too much. Face your palms to your face and go up and down. Embarrass. All right, you guys, well, thank you so much for tuning in. That was a little bit of signs for our feelings. There's a lot more to learn, and we hope to see you again soon. Bye.
Hey Zeke, don't forget to take out the trash.
Oh man, I always mess up taking the trash out. Thankfully, Melissa has a video on how to properly do this.
Hi guys, welcome back to PALS Remote Services. I'm Melissa, and today I will be showing you how to take out the trash and replace the old trash bags with a new trash bag. Taking out the trash is a daily vocational task in order to maintain a clean environment in your home or office. Here are a few easy steps to take out the trash and replace an old trash bag with a new trash bag. The materials you will need are gloves to protect you from any germs and an extra trash bag to replace the old trash bag. Step 1. Put on your gloves before touching the trash bag to prevent any germs on your hands. Step 2. If necessary, open the top of the trash container. Start to make a knot on the bag to secure any trash from falling out. Step 3. Once tied, hold the bag securely and begin to walk to the designated garbage disposal bin. Step 4. Dispose of the trash. Step 5. Head back to the trash bin and grab a new trash bag. Step 6. Put the new trash bag on the trash container and make a knot on the side of the trash bag once it is over the trash container. Step 7. Finally, the job is done. Dispose of your gloves and wash your hands with soap for 30 seconds and dry them with a clean paper towel.
Oh man, all that working out gave me an appetite. Let's see what April made for culinary today.
Hi, my name is April, and today I will be teaching you guys how to make a sausage egg McMuffin sandwich. So today what you will need to make your sausage egg McMuffins will be a pack of Jimmy Dean sausage or any kind of sausage you want, eggs, cheese, muffins, cooking spray, bowl, fork, a knife, but you need to be using the knife with assistance of somebody's help, and a toaster oven. Okay, so for our first step, you're going to take your muffin and use a knife, and you're going to cut the muffin in half, slice it all the way around, cut it in half, place the muffin in the toaster oven, and the toaster oven has a setting that says toast, but if your toaster oven doesn't have a setting that says toast and it just has the temperature, it's going to be at 450 degrees, and you'll place it in there for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now for your next step, you're going to take your bowl and you're going to spray the bowl with the cooking spray of your choice. I use this olive spam spray, but you can use your choice of cooking spray that you would like. Okay, now for your next step, you're going to crack your egg in the bowl and you're going to whisk the egg. After you're done whisking the egg, you're going to open your microwave, place your bowl in the middle of the microwave, and set your timer for 1 minute and 30 seconds and wait for the egg to cook. Okay, now you have your Jimmy Dean sausages. You're going to open up your Jimmy Dean sausage, place them on a plate, microwave your sausage links for 1 minute. And then you can remove them. Okay, now you can pull your bread out of the toaster oven. Be careful because it's hot. Pull your bread out of the toaster oven, place it on the plate, and then you will get your cheese. Open up your cheese, place it on the toasted bread so it can melt. Place your sausage links on top of the cheese, then your egg, and put your other side of your toasted muffin on top of your sandwich, and there you have your sausage egg McMuffin.
Hey everybody, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to keep up with the rest of our content. Catch you later.